New York City public schools discard 850,000 styrofoam lunch trays each day. If these were stacked, they'd be 2 miles high, which is 8.5 times the height of the Empire State Building. So, at Central Academy and other schools throughout Des Moines Public Schools districts, we're using styrofoam trays for kids who don't want to eat in the lunchroom, who want to go in different places. So, why don't you tell them what we're proposing, Lincoln?
So, our idea is to eliminate those styrofoam trays completely and replace them with compostable, earth-friendly trays that can be recycled.
Right.
And if we don't want to eliminate the styrofoam trays, Charlie found this nice machine called the
Styro Genie.
that will compact the styrofoam and make it.
It removes the it removes the air from the styrofoam trays and it turns them into a liquid resin. Then this resin is cooled and it can be formed into shapes that can be used for picture frames or even paving bricks.
You can even make a chair out of it.
Yep. This machine costs $12,000, but it would be well worth it because it would pay for itself in just 2 years. Alright, back to the compostable trays though. There's currently an 11-city contract for new school compostable plates. This eliminates 500 million toxic and polluting styrofoam plates each year from 4,000 schools. DMPS could easily join this movement. So, alright. Yeah. So 500 foam trays cost $45.25 and 400 compostable trays cost $45.74. So that's 5 cents a tray for the foam trays.
And 6 cents a tray for the compost trays.
Exactly. So
if we're worried about the money, we could increase the school lunches by only a few cents, so you can still have a little bit of a profit, but still pay for those trays. Or we could just go around Central or some schools and ask for basically a fundraiser for these trays, and they would only have to donate 1 cent. So, what do you think on eliminating styrofoam and replacing it with compostable and recyclable tray? Or, if we can't do that, making the styrofoam into a resin that can be used to make stuff?
with the Styro Genie.
Styro Genie.
I think it's a really good idea and a really good way to get rid of waste in our school. I think the compostable trays would probably be a better solution, but if that's not possible, Styro Genie would be a really good idea.
Great. Cool. Here with Chase Kozowski, and we're going to talk to him about compostable trays. So, what's your opinion on styrofoam trays first?
Well, I don't like the way they feel.
You don't like the way they feel. What else do you not like about them?
They're bad for the environment.
Okay. Now, these compostable trays will feel like paper or cardboard, and they're very good for the environment. So, what's your thoughts on that?
Well, it sounds really good then.
Epic. Are you down then?
I'm down.
All right.
If you're down.
Now, if we can't implement these compostable trays, what would you think about the Styro Genie that we talked about in class?
Oh, it sounds like a great idea.
Fantastic.
Wonderful. Thank you, Chase.
Thank you, Chase. I'm here with Walker Bennett, and we're going to talk about compostable trays. What are your thoughts on compostable trays?
I hate them
Why do you hate them?
because they smell bad, and styrofoam trays are so much easier.
So much easier. What do you think by so much easier? Why are they so much easier?
Like, we've used them for many years, and it's just the typical way of doing things.
Did you know that they produce a gallon of fossil fuels for two
For 2 trays?
trays?
Wow, I did not know that.
Yes. Now these compostable trays are completely eco-friendly and they do not smell bad. Plus, you can fit more food on them.
Oh yeah? Is that true?
Yeah. All right. So how
Well,
about
I
change?
like food.
Good. So you should like these.
Yummy. Can I eat the tray?
Actually, you can. It's perfectly safe to eat.
Is it good?
So as you can see, many students here at Roosevelt are for compostable trays, and it took a little convincing for a couple of us. but they're on board now. The interviews we've had have been insightful upon everybody's ideas about styrofoam and compostable trays, and taking that into account, it just further solidifies our ideas that it would be a very good idea. So, once again, schools throughout the U.S. use 5.7 billion styrofoam trays every single year. So if we could cut this down a lot, it would be super beneficial for our environment and a step in the right direction. Thank you.